Unpacking the phrase, cleaning the garage. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we aim to make English learning easy and fun for everyone. Today, we're going to explore a very common and practical phrase, cleaning the garage. This might sound straightforward, but there's a lot we can unpack to help you understand not just the words, but how they fit into everyday English conversation. Cleaning the garage refers to the act of organizing, tidying, and removing unwanted items from a garage. A garage is a building or a part of a building where vehicles, like cars and bikes, are stored. Often, people also keep tools, outdoor equipment, and sometimes old items they don't use regularly in their garages. So, cleaning it involves sorting through these items, deciding what to keep and what to discard, and generally making the space cleaner and more organized. In many English-speaking countries, the garage is more than just a place to store cars. It's often seen as a personal space where hobbies are pursued, and sometimes it becomes a storage area for things that don't fit in the house. Because of this, cleaning the garage can sometimes be a big task that requires time and effort. It's also a phrase you might hear in casual conversation, especially during spring cleaning season, when people are motivated to clean and organize their homes. To give you a sense of how cleaning the garage can be used in everyday English, here are a few example sentences. I'm planning to spend my Saturday cleaning the garage. It's been a mess since winter. Can you help me with cleaning the garage? I found some old photos that you might want to see. We finally finished cleaning the garage, and now there's so much more space for my workshop. These examples show how the phrase can be used to describe personal plans, ask for help, or express the outcome of the action. When talking about cleaning the garage, you might also come across related phrases or tasks. For example, decluttering, removing unnecessary items to make space. Organizing, arranging items systematically so they are easy to find. Spring cleaning, a thorough cleaning of a house or space, traditionally done in the spring. Understanding these related terms can help you better grasp the full scope of what cleaning the garage might entail. We hope this video has shed some light on the phrase, cleaning the garage, and given you a glimpse into its meaning, cultural context, and usage in English. Remember, learning a language is not just about the words, but also about understanding how they fit into everyday life. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.